Hi, this is Professor Earth, and I want to talk to you about deep time. Deep time meaning geologic time, meaning ancient time, meaning millions, hundreds of millions, and even billions of years ago. Here we are at Silver Reef, Utah. This is the site of an old silver mine, the only silver mine ever found in sandstones. But let's not talk about money, let's talk about deep time. Let's take off in our drone and let's look at the rocks here and see what the rocks can show us. So we can see in this cliff a section of different kinds of sedimentary rocks. There's sandstones, there's shales, they're all interbedded, they're all horizontal. If we look up the cliff, we see a sequence: sandstone, shale, some thicker, some thinner, very thick sandstone at the top forming a cliffy unit. And we can trace these units laterally for miles and even tens of the miles down this cliff at Silver Reef. And we know that these rocks were originally deposited in an ocean about 200 million years ago. And we assume that they were horizontal when they were deposited. And now they've been uplifted 8,000 feet into the air. They're still horizontal. So we can see that the tectonics here over the last 200 million years have just lifted these things vertically in kind of an amazing fashion. They're slightly bent, they're slightly faulted in places, but essentially we've had vertical tectonics here. At Silver Reef, we just have one cliff, one exposure of different kinds of rocks, and we can trace them for tens of miles. But if we look around us, there's hundreds of miles here in the Colorado Plateau, and we can trace these same rocks hundreds of miles away, because that was the size of the original ocean where these sediments are being deposited. So we've got a nice local case of deep time leading to a much larger story of deep time on the Earth.